badass. And I have another box for you guys. Ordered some new boots, some new rock boots. Finally came in a couple days ago, so let's unbox this bad boy. And I haven't seen anyone like post anything about these boots as of yet on YouTube, so let's unbox them. And they were pretty pricey, so but they're pretty much badass, so let's unbox them. Here they are. They're like metallic red, as you can see. Really glossy right there, shininess. And I should have put the shoelaces together. So, and there's two versions of these metallic ones. As you can see, the skeletons. The other ones, the buckles, they didn't have the skeleton. They were a little bit cheaper, but it looks badass. So I decided to get these ones instead. As you can see, there's a spider web, and I accidentally ordered these in the US size 9. I mean size 8. But hopefully it fit me pretty well. You can see right there, new rock. They're freaking dope though. So that was a quick unboxing video for you guys. Now let me just put them on and show you how I'll be dressing up in these. They're metallic red. Right there, new rock. Let's try them on and I'll show you different styles. For the video, so hopefully you enjoyed the video content, and I highly recommend these new rock boots right here. But my only crime with this is the price. I pretty much paid like 300 or something, and then with tax and shipping like 340 I believe. But I highly recommend it if you could afford these. If you're able to find these out of the blue somewhere in a thrift store, I highly recommend getting these ASAP. And the sizing is a little different because these are like in euro. So 40 is size 8. I don't know if 41 is a 8.5. I don't know the sizing for the European, but accidentally I got a size 41, but it still fits good on me. But these boots are badass. The only difference between this one and the other ones, like I said before, are these pieces, the little buckles. The other ones are just plain, and these ones have a like little skull design. But you're pretty much paying a little bit extra for this, like the buckle, the buckles pretty much. Other than that, it's pretty much the same. You want to save some money, get the other ones, but if you want to look badass, I recommend these ones. But that's gonna be it for the video, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the video and content. I got more unboxing videos for you guys, so hit the thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, and I'm trying to grow the channel, so hopefully you enjoy the content. And check out my other videos while you're at that, and I'll catch you in the next video.